Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you all my recipe for this delicious crunchy baiganee. You guys are going to love this one and it's very easy to put together. So let's get started. So when you're slicing your baigan, you want it to go like about a half of an inch thickness. You don't want to go too thin unless you like it thin. If you want, you can go thicker, but just keep in mind that when you're frying it, you have to make sure that it's fried on a low heat so that it's cooked all the way through. So to start this recipe, I'm going to go in with my soaked split pea that I had soaking overnight into my blender. Now you notice I have some liquid in here. You do need some water because you need to help this process. And I'm going to go in here with some green seasoning and some garlic, and I like putting a little extra garlic when I make this, and we're just going to blend this into a thin paste. Next, you're going to empty that blended mixture into a bowl, and look at the consistency of my mixture, guys. You need it to be a thick consistency because we need to paste this onto the baigan or the tahina, whichever one you're making. Now to this, I'm going to go in with salt to taste. I'm going to go in with some turmeric powder, or we call it saffron powder in Trinidad, not to be confused with saffron threads, guys. In goes a little bit of flour, just a little bit, because we want a crunchy consistency. All this flour is going to do is help bring this together and hold it together into a paste. I'm going to go in with some baking powder. And now this other ingredient is optional, but it does give a really crunchy consistency. Some cornstarch. Now you want to mix these ingredients really well to incorporate it into that dal or pureed dal. So guys, I want you to see the consistency. It's a very spreadable, thick consistency, almost like hummus. So this is how you want your mixture that you're going to paste on your tahina or your baiganee. This is how you want it to look like. So what we're going to do now is take our baigan pieces, take up some of the mixture, and we're going to paste it. And you see how it's pasting on really nice? Just paste it on both sides. Make sure and cover the ends really well. And do the same for the other side. And I promise you guys, you are going to love this. This gives you such a crispy, crunchy exterior. And what my mother-in-law also does is, if she doesn't have dal sometimes, she'll just use chana instead. Soak the chana overnight and use that, or you can use a combination of both chana and dal. Now this goes into the hot oil. Be very careful, you don't want to get burned. So I'm going to continue pasting the rest just like I showed you with this one. Make sure your heat is on a medium low. You want that melange or that baigan to cook properly all the way through. Let's just give this first one a flip. So these took about 8 minutes to fry. You see, it has a really nice golden color. Now you can fry them as brown as you would like. So I'm just gonna drain these on some paper towels. I'm gonna continue frying the rest, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So guys, here is the baiganee. It's like so hot. I'm just gonna dip it into my sauce, and I'm going to bite into it so you guys can hear how crunchy it is. Wow. Guys, look inside there. You see that's the exterior, and look how perfectly cooked that baigan is on the inside. This is tasting so delicious. Oh my god, guys, look at that. It's piping hot and it's so delicious. I'm really excited for you all to try this recipe. Crispy, crunchy deliciousness. Make it. Let me know, guys. Comment down below. I want to hear from you. I'm really excited about this recipe. Thank you all so much. Thank you to my mother-in-law for sharing a recipe with us. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.